Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on marketing resources with HubSpot Academy, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start saving on marketing resources with HubSpot Academy, first create a free account on the HubSpot website. Once you have an account, log in to access a wealth of educational resources. Explore the Academy homepage to see various courses available for different marketing topics. Select a course that interests you, such as inbound marketing or content strategy. Click on the course title to view its details, including the curriculum and duration. Enroll in the course by clicking the Enroll button, which will take you to the course materials. Take advantage of the video lessons, quizzes, and downloadable resources offered in each module. Focus on completing the lessons at your own pace to fully grasp the concepts. Make notes on key takeaways from each module to reinforce your learning. Look for certification opportunities after completing certain courses to enhance your skills. Apply the knowledge gained from the courses directly to your marketing strategies. Utilize the free templates and tools provided by HubSpot to streamline your marketing efforts. Join the HubSpot community forums to ask questions and share insights with other learners. Regularly revisit HubSpot Academy for new courses and updates on marketing trends. By consistently utilizing these resources, you can significantly reduce your marketing costs while enhancing your expertise. In conclusion, HubSpot Academy offers an accessible way to improve your marketing skills without straining your budget. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.